Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add a map in Google Sites. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description, and not description, on Google Sites. On the right corner you're gonna see map. So click on it. You can enter location and just write here, I don't know. Okay, and click select, and voila, here we got it. What I recommend is making it larger, like this. And this is how you do it. So yeah, this is how you can add simply map in Google Sites. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and stuff like that. So goodbye.